quick, I want to show y'all something, man. This is like a '07 Chrysler minivan with a 3.8 in it. Now, what I want to talk to y'all about or tell you about is a mistake that a lot of people make. Okay, now what I'm talking about is noises. This particular car. Now, if you look at this alternator, one might think it's new. In fact, it is fairly new, not that old. Okay, now I'm finna start this car up and I want y'all to hear something. Okay, because everybody make this mistake. Even seasoned veterans make this mistake. All right, I'm getting ready to start the car up. Now, look at the pulley. Look at the internal pulley of the alternator. You can see it spinning, right? It's loud. Now watch this. Hear that? There you go. Now you don't see the internal pulley spinning anymore. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, this alternator is internally coming apart. Actually, the purpose of this video is just to remind fellow techs that just because a part is new or fairly new or just recently been replaced does not mean it is not bad. Well, I don't like the term bad, or in this case it is not noisy. So in other words, you shouldn't assume that this noise is not from the alternator just because you've been told the alternator, well, I just replaced it. No, that's not a proper way to diagnose cars. Okay, you should inspect, if you're dealing with a noise, you should inspect anything that can produce that type of noise, even an alternator. Actually, everything in the pulley, in the belt pulling area, okay, because that idler pulley can keep up that same noise. And it's the tensioner pulley on this car that can also keep up that noise. But in this particular case, I can see the internal pulleys of the alternator spinning, and now it's stopped, and the noise resides. So the noise is gone. So what that tells me is the noise is coming from the alternator. Now another way, you can just simply take the belt off and spin each pulley and see if the noise generates from which pulley. That would lead you to believe whatever pulley that is noisy. All right, I don't want this video to be long. Just wanted to give fellow techs, new techs, the newbies, anybody, that little tip. Just because a part is new does not mean that part in question is good or okay. It can easily be the noise or whatever you take. All right, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.